Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docents DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the previous video where we talked about Area 51 and its mysterious reputation. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test with some questions. Is Area 51 located in the Nevada desert? Yes, it's in a remote desert area in Nevada. Did the U.S. government admit Area 51 existed in 1950? No, they confirmed its existence in 2013. Was Area 51 built to test secret military aircraft? Yes, it was created during the Cold War for that purpose. Did a UFO crash near Las Vegas in 1947? No, the crash happened near Roswell, New Mexico. Did the government say the object that crashed was a weather balloon? Yes, that was the official explanation. Are there confirmed alien bodies at Area 51? No, there's no real evidence of aliens. Have people reported strange lights near Area 51? Yes, many reports of unexplained lights have been made. Is the U-2 spy plane connected to Area 51? Yes, it was tested there in secret. Is Area 51 often featured in movies and TV shows? Yes, it's a popular topic in entertainment and pop culture. Do experts believe the mystery of Area 51 will never be solved? No. Many believe it's just a military base, but the secrecy keeps the mystery alive. Remember to watch this video multiple times to reinforce your learning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the next videos in this amazing series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.